Find or read reviews that people are talking about BOLONMI wireless Bluetooth induction speaker. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Innovative induction speaker. Simply place your phone on the stand to instantly amplify the audio with high-fidelity sound, no Bluetooth pairing or app installation required. Free your hands while listening to music/podcasts, taking video calls or watching movies. Uncomplicated operation and 350% amplified sound make it perfect for seniors to use. Multifunctional Bluetooth speaker. Combines a wireless induction speaker, Bluetooth speaker, adjustable phone stand, power bank, not wireless charge, and RGB ambient night light into one sleek gadget, offering ultimate convenience and style for work, leisure, and entertainment. Long battery life and power bank. With a 2 hours full charge of the audio induction speaker, you can enjoy up to 8 hours playtime, various by volume. Besides, it works as a power bank to charge your cell phone and other devices when they're going to run out of power. Charge cable is required. Reliable phone stand features an anti-slip, triangle base to keep your phone secure and scratch-free on the phone amplifier stand. The adjustable 360-degree angle ensures a comfortable viewing experience for watching videos, reading, gaming, and more. Dynamic RGB ambient lighting surrounds the phone speaker amplifier with vibrant, color-changing LED lights, adding a romantic or modern ambience to any room. Perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or outdoor camping for a calming, immersive atmosphere. Wide compatibility. This 5-in-1 induction Bluetooth speaker supports a wide range of devices from 4 to 13 inches, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, Android phones, iPads, tablets, and more. Note, the induction mode only works for cell phones without phone shells, not for iPad or tablets. Great gift idea for any occasion. This phone holder with induction speaker could be a unique and surprising gift for Christmas, birthdays, Mother's/Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or White Elephant gifts. Perfect for tech lovers, students, or anyone who appreciates innovative, multifunctional device. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.